Hello everyone and welcome to this Wix versus Squarespace comparison. These two website builders are giants in the industry, but which one is right for you? Today we're going to break down their key features, ease of use, pricing, and more to help you make an informed decision, so let's get started. First up, ease of use and design flexibility. Wix is known for its drag and drop editor, giving you a high degree of control over your website's layout. This is fantastic for those who want complete creative freedom. Squarespace, on the other hand, uses a more structured approach with pre-designed templates and sections. While this may limit some customization, it ensures a polished and professional look. So in this section, it depends on you. Do you want total freedom or a clean template to work from? Now to the template selection and design quality. Both platforms offer a wide range of templates, but their design philosophies differ. On one hand, Squarespace is renowned for its sleek, modern, and visually stunning templates, making it a popular choice for creative professionals and businesses that prioritize aesthetics. On the other hand, Wix offers a much larger selection of templates, catering to various industries and styles. While some might argue that Wix templates aren't as consistently high quality as Squarespace, the sheer variety is a major plus. Now let's talk about features and functionality. Wix offers a vast app market with hundreds of apps to extend your website's capabilities, from e-commerce to marketing tools. Squarespace also provides robust features, especially for e-commerce and blogging, but its app market is more curated and limited. If you need a specific feature, Wix App Market might give it to you. If you want more streamlined experience, Squarespace built-in tools are generally really good. E-commerce. For those looking to sell online, both Wix and Squarespace offer e-commerce solutions. Squarespace e-commerce features are highly regarded, with excellent inventory management and a seamless checkout process. Wix also offers robust e-commerce features, but some users find Squarespace e-commerce platform to be more intuitive and user-friendly. However, Wix has been improving their e-commerce tools rapidly. SEO and marketing tools. SEO and marketing are crucial for driving traffic to your website, and you'll be happy to know that both platforms offer built-in SEO tools. But Squarespace is often praised for its clean code and SEO-friendly structure. Wix has been improving its SEO capabilities, but some users find Squarespace to have a slight edge. Both platforms also provide various marketing tools, such as email marketing integrations and social media connections. Now to pricing. Wix offers a wider range of pricing plans, including a free plan with limited features. Their pay plans range from basic website builders to comprehensive e-commerce solutions. Squarespace, on the other hand, also offers various plans, but they don't have a free option. Their pricing is generally slightly higher than Wix, but many users agree that the value justifies the cost. So you'll need to choose the plan that fits your budgets and needs. Customer support. This is an important aspect when you run into issues. Both Wix and Squarespace offer customer support through various channels, including email, chat, and phone support. Squarespace is often praised for its responsive and helpful customer service, while Wix also provides comprehensive support resources. So which plan is the winner? It really depends on your priorities. If you value design, flexibility, and a vast app market, Wix might be the better choice. If you prioritize slick design, powerful e-commerce features, and a streamlined experience, Squarespace is a strong contender. So you'll need to carefully consider your needs and choose the platform that best aligns with your goals. If you found this comparison helpful, do let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.